Hey, it's Sammy. On September 24th, we took 8 trades. We had 3 break evens, 5 winners for 4,720 pips. I knew it was going to be a crazy day. We've been testing record highs. The market ran overnight, so of course we had to pull back before the open or at the open, and then we had to consolidate and do a lot of accumulation, a lot of crazy things to induce traders both directions. We were there for all of it. Let's take a look at the charts. These videos are probably going to go a little quicker because there is 8 of them that I have to cram in here. This is our first trade. Basically, you can see we're just trying to get down to that 76.4. Monday's close was also down here as well. This trade went really remarkably quick. We made 1,240 pips. Of course, we moved that stop loss to break even to protect our trades. And we actually closed this trade manually. You can see when we hit that white line, that's the 200 moving average on this 5-minute chart. All right, so that last candle pulled all the way back up again to yesterday's daily high 100 Fibonacci level. So we decided the short time frame data is firing. Let's jump back in it and try and get back down to that pink line, Monday's closing price. You can see right here, we're going to set that stop loss to break even plus 25 per position. And you can see it came back and tapped it for a break even. I'm trying this trade for a 4th time. I won the first one, had a break even on the second one. This one's also a break even. Moving that stop loss to break even right here as this trade starts pulling down. And it pulled back into itself. You can see we're a little bit aggressive, but you can see the behavior in the market, and that is why. Now you'll notice the difference as the data starts really firing and locking in. For the 5th try on this short, we know we're going to go short because we're still coming off the high of day. We've already got our stop loss to break even plus 25 to protect the trade. We're aiming down here at Friday's closing price, which is right by that 50 Fibonacci level. Sorry about that. And we're going to go ahead and lock up manually right here with 1,280 pips at the pivot. You can see we've got pretty decent multiple time frame momentum. We've got sentiment starting to break bull support. We're coming through Monday's closing price and we're trying to get down again to that Friday pink line down there. I know we're going to retest Friday's closing price at some point today just because of the way the market has moved so aggressively to make those new record highs. The key is we're not guessing our way into the market. We're actually using data to take our way into the market. That's why we can move our stop loss to break even and protect all these trades and don't experience losers. It's about maximizing profits and mitigating risk. If you're ready to learn how to trade smart, fast, and safe, book a call, we'll walk you through the process. This one's our 6th trade for all you trend line traders. We've hammered this trend line. We had bull support at Monday's close. As you can see, we're coming back up through the 76.4. We've got our Soder signature reversal trade starting to play out here, and we're aiming for the 123.6 Fibonacci extension right under today's blue high of day trace. As with every trade we've taken today especially, we've got that stop loss move to break even to protect them trades. Now this trade, we're going to lock in 540 pips up here as we're messing around with yesterday's high 100 Fibonacci level. Of course, the trade did punch through in the next 3 to 4 minutes as the data continued to grow. Because we trade journal and take statistics, we know the likelihood of a new entry on a 1-minute bar when there's a new hour candle with this much momentum and this much sentiment. You can see right here, we're entering the market at the 123.6 and we're heading up to that 150 Fibonacci level. Now let me just say, we are pushing a record high today. We are pushing this blue tracer. That's today's high price, and it's a record high price. When I'm trading in rarefied air, I'm going to be conservative and I'm going to lock in at every Fibonacci level. We're going to go ahead and lock in at this 138.2 fib extension with 620 pips. Our eighth and final trade of the day. This was the new 4-hour bar, which was 2 p.m. It was right around 2:30 when this trade finally kicked in. You can see that pink line we're hanging out at. That's Monday's closing price. Look how much we've hammered that at bull support. You can see where we have our take profit set down there at Friday's close, and we pin it with 1,040 pips.